What's up guys, Alec here, and we're going to start this week's social media news recap with a few stats just like last week. So first of all, 50% of Americans didn't know that Instagram was owned by Facebook. So if you didn't know that, now you know. Instagram is owned by Facebook. Next up, millennials and Gen Z make up for 59% of Instagram's 1 billion plus users. So if you're looking to target millennials and Gen Z, Instagram is not a bad place to go. 96% of online video consumption is on mobile. Now this is just insane. You can't ignore vertical videos any longer, and it's without a doubt that the 9:16 dimensions, so that's like the story dimensions, is going to be more and more popular in the future. And 90% of videos watched vertically have a higher completion rate than the videos that are watched horizontally. So yeah, vertical video watching is increasingly popular and it's going to be huge. For example, IGTV is going to be even bigger in 2019. Very first story, I'm going to go over it very quickly because I've already made a video about it. It's the egg that holds the current world record for the most liked photo on Instagram. It dethroned Kylie Jenner earlier this week, who had 18.2 million likes, and the egg currently stands at 48.4 million likes. That's 2.5 times more than the previous record actually was. If you want to know more about this egg, I made a little video about it, so I'm going to link it in the cards, and it's also going to be linked in the description. Oh, and only 10 hours ago, the account posted another egg which has a crack in it, so I highly suggest you stay tuned to see what this egg is going to hatch. Up next, Instagram's fake follower purge has had little effect on its fraudulent influencers. So, following pressure from advertisers, Instagram declared war on its inauthentic followers at the end of last year. But fresh data from social measurement company Points North Group indicates that it's had little effect on some of the platform's worst offenders. Just 2 months ago, Instagram detailed a plan to clamp down on third-party apps that help creators attain more followers to make their profile look more attractive to advertisers. It promised to use AI to remove followers and engagement from accounts that had used such services to boost their popularity. However, Points North Group data suggested that accounts with mostly inauthentic audiences haven't had their numbers dented by the crackdown in the month following Instagram's announcement. Instagram has rebuffed the data, saying that since announcing its work to remove inauthentic engagement, it had seen promising results. A spokesperson from Instagram said, "This report does not reflect what we know to be true about our progress. Nobody likes receiving spammy follows, likes and comments, and we're committed to continuing to improve in this area." However, I wouldn't necessarily trust Instagram at this minute, so I would highly suggest you take your precautions. And if you want to know how to spot fake influencers, again, I'm going to put a card up which links to a video where I can tell you how to know if an influencer has a fake audience. I'm also going to put it in the description. And now for the next story. Keep in mind that I said that Instagram had detailed a plan to help clamp down on any third-party apps that help people attain followers. Instagram has been caught selling ads to follower buying services that it actually banned on its platform. Now, despite Instagram announcing a ban on these businesses back in November, Instagram has been earning money from businesses flooding its social network with spam notifications. Now, hypocritically, Instagram is continuing to sell ad space to services that charge for fake followers, or services that automatically follow and unfollow to get someone else to follow you back. Now, all this is despite Instagram reiterating a ban on these businesses back in November and threatening the accounts of people who actually use these services. A TechCrunch investigation initially found 17 services that were selling fake followers on Instagram's platform. Now, these services are blatantly violating the network's policies. This demonstrates Instagram's failure to adequately police its app and platform. That neglect led to users being distracted by notifications for follows and likes generated by bots or fake accounts. Now, Instagram raked in the revenue from these services while they diluted the quality of the user experience on the platform and wasted their users' time. In response to TechCrunch's investigation, Instagram said that it's removed all ads as well as disabled all the Facebook pages and Instagram accounts of the services that were reported violating its policies. However, a day later, TechCrunch still found ads from 2 of these services on Instagram and discovered that 5 more companies were paying to promote policy-violating follower growth services. Now, obviously, this raises a big question from Instagram whether Instagram are properly protecting its community from spammers. Why would it take an investigation to get these ads and businesses removed from Instagram, especially when the company is supposed to have technical and human moderation systems in place? So Instagram seems to focus on the growth of its user base and business rather than actually focusing on the quality of its user experience. So what do you think about this? Is Instagram in the wrong, or is it inevitable that you're going to get these businesses that are constantly trying to promote their services on these platforms? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd really love to hear your opinions. Now, that was the video for today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. And again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace out.
It's just another Hollywood weekend.